Here.
Back later.
Yeah. I just made an appointment for a special rendezvous to see a man of miracles and all that he can do. I checked in at reception, put my hat to my lap, and when he walked in dressed in white, I had a heart attack. My eyes went ooh, my voice just cooed, my mind let loose. I'll stay forever, it's up to you. Doctor, I want you. My doctor wanna do. I can't get over you. Doctor, do anything that you wanna do. Doctor, I want you. My doctor wanna do. I can't get over you. Doctor, do anything that you wanna do. I sat down and I waited till I heard my name get called. It's like I'm at the races and I think I won them all. He asked me to step forward. First I got my breath and ran for endless observation in the hands of Superman. My eyes went ooh, my voice just cooed, my mind let loose. I'll stay forever, it's up to you. Doctor, I want you. My doctor wanna do. I can't get over you. Doctor, do anything that you wanna do. Doctor, I want you. My doctor wanna do. I can't get over you. Doctor, do anything that you wanna do.